country does not allow any sound to be made. Even gasping for breath cannot make a single sound. If anyone dares to violate the rules, the consequences will be unimaginable. The bandit held a hostage this day, despite being completely surrounded by FBL. But the robbers didn't panic at all, because they know FBL wouldn't dare shoot at all. But what if we shoot? Let's continue to look down. Although the robbers found a motorcycle, but I dare not start the engine. Can only move forward slowly like this. Everyone avoided the situation when they saw it, afraid of making a noise accidentally. FBL is closely following behind, but also afraid to start the engine. Can only push the car slowly forward. Although I took out the alarm light and opened the circuit, but to make no noise. But I only dare to shine and dare not whistle. Both sides have been deadlocked like this. What the hell will happen? Make everyone so afraid. Watching the robbers run further and further away. The sheriff finally raised his pistol. Why didn't you shoot early? Result. Next, something terrifying has happened.